PNG drawing, perhaps, I'm not sure, but this time I just try to color drawing of Nissan GTR, the generation for the first R30 and R32 and R35, if I'm not mistaken. So this is actually one of the first overhead camera which I have been recording quite a while ago, I think at the beginning of pandemic, perhaps, I'm not sure, but this time I'm only using the mount that was attached to my old iMac, the 2006 iMac White, which is directly into the tables. So basically I try to use it's basically imported from overseas for no reason, because basically coloring pencil is already cheap, but when we try to bought it overseas I thought that will have better quality, but it's just very small, very light to be painted for no reason. Maybe because it will actually make it so easy to be erased, since coloring pencil should be the same as any other pencil which can be erased, but at some point if you talk about the coloring pencil that's a bit too heavy in terms of the colors, it will definitely make the eraser absorb those colors, and it is pretty annoying, especially when you try to use it again at other surfaces in different colors, which can make it return back into the paper. So yeah, it's just